Hello again, YouTube. Today, I want to talk about the end of year tasks that I complete to get me ready for the upcoming year. These were born out of the recurring tasks that I'd previously created and that I perform on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, and so on basis. While I have a complete listing of 15 tasks or so that I complete, I'll only talk about 3 of them here. The first of those tasks is that I contact my internet service provider and see if they have any deals that I can take advantage of. I don't always save money this way, but just recently I was able to contact Comcast and save a total of $144 over the next year, all while doubling my internet speed. Something else I like to do is to take a look at how much PTO I'm going to accrue in the next year, how much I already have, and create a plan for going on vacation and otherwise using that time off to make sure I am properly resting and rejuvenating throughout the year. Finally, I look at my expenditures from last year, how much money I have left over, to find out where I want to invest that extra money. And then based on how much money I spent and what my projected expenses are for the next year, I create at least a preliminary budget. Those are my 3 examples of tasks that I complete at the end of each year. Again, if you like this, please let me know. I can create a longer video where I talk about them in more detail. Hope everyone is enjoying the holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and talk to you all later.